Hi dear YouTubers. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store on Windows 11. So let's begin. To start off, you will need to uninstall the existing Windows subsystem Android on your computer. This is because we will be installing a new modified version of the Windows subsystem for Android, which allows you to install the Google Play Store. Follow the instruction in the tutorial to remove Windows subsystem for Android. First, open the setting app. Navigate to apps, installed apps. From the list of applications, locate Windows Subsystem Android. Click the three dots and choose Uninstall from the drop-down menu. Now that you have removed the current version of Windows Subsystem for Android from your system, you will have to prepare a modified version of the Windows Subsystem Android. This is because the Google Play Store is not available on the Windows Subsystem for Android by default. As such, the kernel needs to be modified to enable the installation of the Google Play Store. Fortunately, there is a community script available that automated the process of modifying the kernel. We'll be using the scripts from the Magix on WSA local projects to modify the Windows subsystem for Android. The scripts can be run on a Linux distribution only, so you will have to download the scripts from Microsoft Store. The scripts can be run on a Linux. Follow the instruction below in this tutorial to do that. Open Microsoft Store. Search for Ubuntu via search bar. Click on it. Then click on Get. And in my case, I have already installed Ubuntu. Then I will click on Open. Click on Get. After the installation completes, a Windows terminal window will open. You will need to provide a username and password for the Ubuntu installation. Doing so will take you to an empty command line. Click on Open after installing the Ubuntu. It said WSL2 requires an update to its kernel component. We need to update the kernel, so we need to enter this site, then update. Click on this file. Open file. Next. Yes. Finish. Restart the computer. Search for Ubuntu. Run as administrator. Now at this point, type in this command. Git clone https github.com ls posted magic on wslocal.git. Copy it and paste it. Then hit enter. This will download the scripts required to create a modified version of the Windows subsystem for Android. Wait for it to complete downloading. After that, you will have to navigate to the folder the scripts reside in. To do that, type in cd magics on local scripts. Enter. Finally, type in run sh then enter. You will need to provide the password of you created the first time you installed Ubuntu. In my case, I will type my password and hit enter. Wrong password. Backslash output. Then enter. Type in cpwsa, then the tab key to auto-complete the folder name. Then this command will create a file on the C drive. Call it Ubuntu. Enter. Then put the zip file to this folder. The folder is, you can call it Ubuntu. Then hit enter. I call it Ubuntu, but you can call the new folder anything you know can help it. In my case, I name it Ubuntu. After that, open File Explorer. Then you need to extract, to decompress the file. In my case, I will download winrar.com. Yes, install WinRAR. Okay, finish. Moving forward, extract the file. Next task. Folder destination. Request the file inspection. Now, I use the folder in the C drive and run the ran.bat file. This one. Right click, then run as administrator. Then hit yes. wait for it to complete. Once the complete, once the step complete, you will see the app screen on your monitor. So let's wait a little. You, you can see. Now that you are done with installing the modified Windows subsystem for Android build with the Play Store, we can delete the files we downloaded from GitHub earlier. Enter the following command within the Ubuntu command line. Hit enter, then exit. And if you don't need the Ubuntu command line, you can also uninstall from the Windows control panel. However, you shouldn't delete the folder we copied to the C partition. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the following tutorials. Bye.